So today we're going to work on edge beading. Variety of things, have a variety of edge beading techniques, and I'll point those out, and then we'll do a couple of techniques as well, so I can show you how that kind of works out. So starting, here's this crow style knife sheath, and it has two bead technique, but not a bead standing up. So you look at that, and then I'll slide this piece over. You can see this is a one bead with a one bead up. Different technique. This is done in the same manner. So I would refer to this as a one bead up technique. If we go over to this Apache watch fob, you can see it's two beads up and two beads over. So variety of techniques used in doing edge beading, and same things. This is from the Northern Plains, this is from New York State, this is from the Southern Plains. So all these different tribes are doing some form of edge beading. So let's get into it. So to get started, I'm going to take my needle, go partially through my leather. So my knot's on one side, thread's coming out the other side. I'm going to put 3 beads on. This is just, I'm only putting 3 beads on this first stitch. Going through my leather, pulling that thread out. Now I'm taking my needle, going into the 3rd bead that I put on. Pull that tight. You can see that 1 bead sticking up. So now I'm going to apply 2 beads because I already have that 3rd bead right there. So I'm going to go a bead away, go through that material, pull the needle, pull the thread tight, and now I'm going to go into the 2nd bead. And what that's going to do is make that bead stand up just right there. You can see that slowly working. So once again, 2 beads, a bead away, go through the leather, and just going into that 2nd bead I put on. So I put 2 dark blue beads on. Go into the bottom of that 2nd bead. And now you see how that's standing up. So let's go, I'm going to do a white bead and a blue bead. And I'm going to repeat that again. So I'm going to put the white bead on first, then the dark blue. Go through my leather. Through that blue bead. So you can see how that all the white beads are now standing upright and the blue beads are all horizontal. So if I look at this, he's actually gone 2 beads upright and 1 red bead in the center. So let's reproduce that. So we're going to go 2 dark blues, and we'll put a red bead, and actually I need to do 1 dark blue. And so he's gone through 2 of those beads, 2 of the blue beads. And you can see how it makes that red bead stand up high. So right now, since I have 2 on, I'm going to put 1 red, 2 dark blues, and we'll make this bead as well stand upright. You can see how those red beads are standing up. So let's reverse that. The two dark blues. And to get out of that bead that we have stacked up high, I just went back to the two bead technique. We'll continue on with that. So edge beading, sometimes you can sandwich the backing to the rosette with that edge beading, or you tie the two together with that edge beading. So you would bead your rosette, edge bead it, and then apply the necklace. In this bag here, they beaded the whole bag. They did all the beadwork, they constructed the bag, then they did the edge beading, and they incorporated the backing to the front piece with that edge beading. So the edge beading held both back and front together, kind of sandwich it together. So edge beading 101. Thanks for watching. Chris at the Wandering Bull. Check us out on Facebook, Wandering Bull YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.